everyone, so today we're going to be drawing a bear. So since I want to draw a brown bear, I'm going to be using a brown marker. So get out all of your markers and you can choose whatever color you want. If you want a pink bear, a purple bear, red bear, you can choose that color. So the first step is we're going to draw a circle right here. That's going to be the head of the bear. And now we're going to draw half circles, 2 half circles on each side of the head, over here and right here. So first, do this. That's the ears. Now we're going to draw another half circle inside the half circle, like that. Now we're going to draw the face. So pretend there's an invisible line separating the face into 2 parts. So we're going to draw the eyes. Draw an oval on each side of the face. Right here. And now you color it in. You color it in and then draw an upside down triangle. So, like this. That's going to be the nose of the bear. Now we're going to draw the mouth. The mouth is going to look like this. If that seems a little complicated, it's not really. It's like a curve, so let's practice it. It's like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now we're going to draw the body. Let's draw another oval down here for the body. Doesn't have to be perfect. Well, it's more like a circle. If you want the body to be longer, make a longer circle, an oval. Now we're going to draw the arms. Start from here. Make an oval. Stop right there. Right here. Over there. That's the arm. We all know bears have stomachs. So in order to show that stomach, we're going to draw another circle right here. That's the stomach. And for the feet, more ovals. 1, 2. Finishing the drawing steps, you can choose any colors you want using colored pencils, crayons, markers, whatever you have to color in the bear. You could color it purple, pink, make it colorful, but I just decided to go with one color, brown, and then I filled in the nose and the inside of the ears and the stomach with pink. So there's your bear. Thank you so much for watching.